I'm Mike with The Wandering Wolf, and this is Ajaw Chocolate and Crafts. Hey guys, we are here at Ajaw, a company specializing in chocolate making and farming. Today we're going to be taking you out to the farm to show you the cacao plant, and we're going to be coming back here to finish up the day, grinding the beans and everything and making the actual chocolate. It's going to be an awesome time. Ajaw Chocolate is located in the heart of downtown San Ignacio, but the first part of our tour took us all the way out to their farm, where Adrian, our guide, showed us everything about cultivating the sweet stuff.
So this is basically what we have as a cacao tree. If you want to think of it as a cocoa or indigenously cacao. These trees, they basically will take about 5 years for them to produce as early about 3,000 flowers if the tree can possibly do. But they're high maintenance tree. It will elevate to about 1 meter or 3 feet high, and then from there it will start to have branches, which is a new method brought to Belize, and also that can resist for heat and parasite. So once you do this now, all you need to do now is actually feed the tree with a lot of water. For us now, it's basically cacao that is basically, it struggles to grow without any attention, but now it needs a lot of attention now, so it produces flower this much and all over the branches.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is one.
So all these little things here.
These are all flower.
Yeah.
These are all flowers.
They're all gonna grow.
I probably would rate them at 1% chance they will burst out to be an actual pod.
But that's a lot still. With the, every little spot.
Absolutely. I mean, you can find them here, all over. We go through a lot of threat. You have ants, you have bugs, parasite, the weather, birds, woodpeckers. Everybody loves chocolate, so they get the first privilege than us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lucky them.
Lucky guys.
I know, right? All right, so we're going this way.
Oh man.
You know,
so is that what you were telling me about?
Yes.
That is huge.
Yeah, that's a paper wasp.
Paper wasp?
Yeah.
That's a big nest.
It's not as full.
Should we knock it down? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I don't want to do that.
They're used to me, you know. Once they come back to me like, oh, it's him. These are
and they get us. Yeah, no, I don't want that.
No, thank you.
Now, when you assess the tree, in terms of everything what the tree really needs, this is what you end up having. You know, they become a nice, decent size, you know.
So they'll get bigger than this?
Many, yes.
Yeah.
Many would do. But in this case, this has become a fully growth.
Okay.
And then all we're waiting for is to turn yellow.
Turn yellow.
So, this is what we would get. So we'll stick it off the tree, harvest it. All right. Like I mentioned, about 30 bean in here. So just gonna.
You want to use this? My easy. No hard.
You ever had something like this before?
No.
Never, huh?
I don't think so.
No.
I got a little peek there. That's crazy.
If you do this eating back at home, they would look at you like it's a paleo diet fan.
Oh my God,
Yeah,
that's crazy looking.
This is how they look like.
Yeah.
Some people say it's like an alien brain.
Like little mouse babies.
Yes, but these this is where it starts. The world's favorite chocolate.
Right.
Yeah.
Wow.
And the first person to basically take this 30 bean, made wine, and made a color of chocolate and drink chocolate was the Mayan.
The Mayans, okay.
They're the first and they're the inventors of chocolate.
So can I show this to the camera real quick?
Yeah, man. So what we could do is that you can take it.
You can eat it.
We're gonna taste it.
Oh my gosh, I have to taste this. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is where your chocolate starts. And I'm gonna try it. Oh my god, it's like slimy. I love how you've done this before. So you just popped it in his mouth.
I've been eating it for 3 years and look like 34.
Okay.
No, don't do it. I'm just kidding.
So all right.
What do you think?
Yeah, that's not bad at all. It looks like it's gonna be bad, but that's not bad.
No.
No, it's basically kind of like eating an unflavored almond.
Yes. Do you know that we take this bean, slice it, there is
Oh, look at that.
there's no color of brown,
At all.
nothing.
Like purple.
Exactly.
Wow.
So at the ending of the day, you find that this bean
Yeah.
made a mistake.
And we just ate it.
We just ate it. Yeah. Once you harvest away from the tree, what happens next? It gets sour.
Okay.
Or when it gets sour, it gets you high.
Where are those for me to try?
We're gonna have you taste it after. All right. And then what happens is that once it gets sour,
Yeah.
it creates roughly 1 to 2 centigrade of heat that change purple to be brown.
Really?
So you made a mistake, and that's fermenting.
Okay.
Wine making process, estimated by radiocarbon dating, 1004 to roughly 1500 BC, that right in this region they made wine out of that.
BC.
BC.
Wow.
So they made wine, and eventually this being now led that the adapted stone grinding occurs and beverage created.
But the Ajaw Chocolate Farm does more than just grow cacao. They also cultivate limes, avocado, allspice, cashews, bananas, and Adrian introduced us to them all. Finally, we landed at the best part of any tour, the tasting table.
So what we'll do now is we're gonna have a taste.
How about this?
All right.
We call them apple bananas.
Yes.
I didn't know you guys were gonna be feeding me today. That's cool, man. I was excited to see what this tastes like. It's kind of sweet.
Yes.
That's like a sweet banana. That's really good. I've never had one.
No.
Yeah, that's almost you know what? It almost has a taste of like a sweet, like green apple with the banana.
Correct.
Yeah.
That's why they call it apple banana.
Yeah.
There's a
But
reason. There's a
there's
reason.
so many apples, right? The green,
Yes,
the
yeah.
green one's
Correct,
got
correct.
that sweeter kind of juicy
Correct.
taste over the red ones.
Another way we have here is we just got it down at the bottom. It's a stick. It's a family of bamboo,
Yeah.
sugar cane.
Yeah. I was gonna say I've had these before. I know that's good. I got the all there.
Yeah. Then would you want some coconut?
Yeah.
All right.
Coconut water.
Of course, I want some coconut. That's good. This is all like super fresh. These are amazing. Little mini bananas.
So you like our office?
Yes.
So you have your food.
Okay.
Now we're gonna have you coconut.
Okay. So what? Just like a straw or drink
Straw or
it?
drink it off. You know, old school version.
I'll do it old school.
Old school.
Now I've never done this.
Okay.
I mean I've had coconut
Yes, yes.
juice, but I've never drinking it fresh out of a coconut.
Take your time.
That's good. Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah, that's really good.
Better than Gatorade.
Yes. Yeah. And more hydrating
That's right.
without red dye number 5 in it.
That's ready. That's ready for
Do you want to try this?
Yeah, sure.
We have right here. Here, this is yours.
What are you doing?
I guess it's my turn to try one of these apple bananas. And I'm very excited because a little sweet baby gherkin. Yeah, I'm okay with that. Doesn't it looks like a pickle, doesn't it? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
You get that green apple taste?
I can see what you mean. It doesn't have that sour like a Granny Smith apple, but it definitely has like a very distinct sweet taste. It's not like a red delicious sweet. It is like a green sweet. Yeah, yeah. That's really good.
It is.
No.
Hey, we finished up here today doing a tour of Ajaw farm, right?
Right.
An area with Adrian. Thank you so much for showing us around. This was really awesome. And thank you for letting me try stuff I've never tried before. That was great.
Excellent.
That was very interesting.
It's good, right?
Yeah, it was good. It was good. I had a good time learning about everything. Yeah.
Everybody loves chocolate. That's right.
After a short drive back to the main office, we sat down to finish our day, learning how to make real Mayan hot chocolate.
We manually break it open because we have to use a knife or machete. The shell is very thick. In many cases, if you're at the farm, you don't have any knife, any machete, you can hit somebody on the head with it. We don't recommend that. All right?
Well, they deserve it.
20 to 30 beans are inside the fruit. With the taste. While the temperature, the heat is being created, purple bean is being turned to brown or chocolate color. You're also curing the bean free of bacteria, free of bugs. When these beans are ready to export to your home country, there is no way we're introducing bugs to your crops back at home. But most importantly, during the process, we are also preserving the bean. All right, so here, method of preparation, stone grinding. Evidence of it had been found. Archaeologists did radiocarbon dating. It was dated back to 1900, 2000 BC. All right? If you have used a mortar and a pestle, however, this more efficient because the stone is basalt or volcanic stone. The rough texture is what you need to process the grain. And of course, we're gonna have your taste.
Yes.
Take a pinch.
Oh.
And don't worry, we have some more.
That looks delicious.
It is bitter.
It's deceiving, see?
Yeah, it looks like chocolate icing. So you really want it, and then you taste it, and you're like, ooh, okay.
Maybe not.
Good.
So what's the secret of Mayan hot chocolate? It's pretty simple, actually. After adding hot water to the chocolate we just made, mix in some honey, allspice, cinnamon, and a dash of chili powder, and the results are spectacular. Once we were all done, they took us to the gift shop for a taste of the final product. Got a little final finished piece of chocolate. That's good. That's really good.
Of course,
Make it famous.
Any last questions?
Oh, thank you so much. That was delicious.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Wow.
Hey guys, so we are leaving Ajaw right now. We just had a great time going out to the farm and then coming back here to watch the presentation on chocolate and the cacao bean and how to make everything. This was a great stop on our trip and definitely worth checking out. So if you're in the area in San Ignacio, come over here, get yourself a tour of the place and do the combo tour. You need to book ahead by 1 day and enjoy yourself. It's a friendly environment, friendly atmosphere. And, you know, we couldn't have asked for a better time. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and if you get a chance, share the video. It really helps us out. Stay safe and have a great week.